નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 14. The name of the chapter is transportation, communication and trade. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have to learn about the meaning of the transportation. What is called as a transportation? The movement of the people and the goods from one place to the another. It is called as a transportation. In another word, in the general term, you can also say the process of going from one place to another is known as a transportation. After dear children, you have to learn in the previous lecture that the types of the transportation are affected by the factor like location, climate, relief, human population, etc. Also, the cultural factor also affect the transportation. Technical development, economic development, market, the capital investment and political decision also affect the types of transportation. After dear children, already we have to learn in the previous lecture that the camel is the best for the transportation into the desert area. Now dear children, today we have to learn about the road or land transportation. Now what happened that dear children? Today we have to learn about the road or land transportation. Road, it means sadak margo, or it means athwa. You can say that land transportation, it means bhumi parivahan. Road were important in transportation since the ancient times. Dear children, you know very well that the road were important transportation from which time? From the ancient times. It means you have to underline ancient times. It means from the Prachin Samaya. There was a road network of the highway during the rule of the Samrat Ashok and Chandragupta Maurya. Dear children, be careful, underline it, box it. This is the very important question for the board examination, that there was a road network of the highway during the rule of the Samrat Ashok and Chandragupta Maurya. Road are complementary to the railway, sea routes and the air routes. What happened then, dear children? You can say that the road network of the highway, road are the complementaries to the railway, sea routes and the air routes. Most important characteristic of the road are the widespread field of its service, safety, goods and saving of the time and cheap and multi-services. What was the main importance of the road? Dear children, underline it. We can say that the most important characteristic of road are widespread field of its services, safety of the goods, saving time, cheap and multi-services. The only option, if you to see that, the only option to connect the goods made in the area is road. Whatever the dear children, we can say that the only option to connect goods made in the area is only the road. The road system of India is the third largest in the world. What happened that dear children, box it, underline it. You have to say that the road system of India is the third largest in the world after the United States of America and China. It means you can say that the road connectivity, first rank is USA, United States of America, second China and third is the India. Now dear children, I am giving some information that the roads weigh from about 83%. How much? If you have to see the total national transportation system, then we can say that the road weigh from about 83%, railway 9%, airway 6% and waterways from about 2% of our total national transportation system. After dear children, they will given about the classification of Indian roadway. Now what happened dear children? Now they are given the classification of Indian roadway. In the classification of the Indian roadway, we can classify the Indian roadway into the 5. First, national highway. It is known as a Rashtriya Dhori Marg. state highway. It is known as a Rajya Rajmarg. Third one, district road, Jilla Marg. Fourth one, village approach road. It means Gramin Sadak Marg. And fifth one, border roads. Now, dear children, these are the classification of Indian roadway in the five. Which five? National highway, state highway, district road, village road, and the border roads. Now, in detail, one by one, we have to learn it. Now, first of all, dear children, we have to learn about the national highway. Which one? National highway. First of all, dear children, we have to learn it. A national highway, it is known as Rashtriya Dhori Marg. Highways are important not only from economic development point of view, but also from the safety point of view. Dear children, underlining, be careful. What they have given there, we can say that highways are important not only from economic development point of view, but you can see that the highway was also the important one from the safety point of view. This is the best thing they have given there. That's why whatever that we can say that the highway are used for the economic development as well as the better for the safety point of view. The responsibility of constructing of this highway rests with the central government. Now what happened there? The responsibility for the construction of this national highway under the central government. Be careful and remember, state capital, large industrial and commercial city and the major ports are interconnected by this highway. Underline it, box it. Now they have asked the question in board examination there. Which things are interconnected by the highway? Then you have to write down that state capital, large industrial and commercial city and the major port are interconnected by the highway. That's why dear children I have written that the state capital, large industrial area, commercial city and the major ports are interconnected by these highways. This road also connected India with neighboring country. Now what happened? This highway, it means this road also connect the India with their neighboring country. Now which neighboring countries are there? Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China. These all are the India neighboring country were connected through the national highway. National highway number 7 is the longest highway of the country. Underline it. Which one? National highway number 7 is the longest highway of the country and it extends between Varanasi with the Kanyakumari. What happened, dear children? They have given that the national highway number 7 is the longest highway of the country and it extends between Varanasi to Kanyakumari. 4 metro city. Now dear children, remember and box it. And this is the already this question asked in the previous board examination paper. 4 metro city connected by the national highway. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and the Calcutta will be interlinked by golden quadrilateral highway system. What they have given that golden quadrilateral highway system. Be remember golden. It means here Delhi. Which one? Delhi. Here Mumbai. Same way Chennai and the Calcutta. So that's why they have also ask that write down the name of the golden quadrilateral highway system. Then you have to remember, dear children, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Calcutta. And this is the most important question. And these 4 metro cities are interlinked by the golden quadrilateral highway system. National highway number 27, 41, 47, 141, 147, etc. passes through the Gujarat. And these numbers are changes by the government of India in 2011. What happened, dear children? We can say that the national highway number 27, 41, 47, 141, 147, etc. passes through the Gujarat. And this number are changes by the government of India in the year 2011. Consider from the total population of the view. If you to see the consideration of the total point of view, then Chandigarh, Pondicherry, Delhi, Goa states have more number of the national highway. Now, which state have the more number of the national highway? Then you have to remember that Chandigarh, Pondicherry, Delhi and the Goa states have more number of the national highway. Next come to the state Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, etc. The total length of the national highway is the less in those states like Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Gujarat where there is the more population. Now what happened that dear children, they have to given about the information on the basis of the total population that in which state that how many national highways are there, or which state have the more national highway, which state have less national highway. So dear children, they have to given that the total length of the national highway is less in those states like UP, West Bengal, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Gujarat where there is a more population. Thank you dear children.
Thank you for joining us